Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily remove the email button from your Facebook page. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments after watching it, and let's get into this topic. So friends, in order to do this, first of all you will need to open Facebook, of course. Now, if you're currently on your main page, then go to the menu on the bottom right, and then click on the top right-hand side of the sign. And here you will select the page that you want to go to. Once you're on your page, you can also go to the menu section and click here to open it. When you get to your Facebook page, click on the three dots on the right-hand side. Next, change action. After that, you'll be taken to the email button. In order to delete it, the only thing you'll need to do is in front of the email, click Delete. And as you can see, you have to wait a little bit, just a few seconds, and your email data will be deleted from your page. This is the very simple and quick way you can easily remove the email button from your Facebook page. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.